In this video, you will learn how to install a horizontal sliding panel. The sliding panel kit comes pre-assembled, fastened together with a press-in stud, locking washer and wing nut. Keep your wing nuts loose until the final placement of the panel is made. To achieve a wall length that is not a multiple of 6 inches, we highly recommend you order a 6 and 12-inch panel with your HSP kit. Here we will begin the installation. Stand up your wall panel and slide into the bottom rail. Fasten and secure to the existing panel. Place your top rail and corner bracket. You will then slide your panel out to the desired length and tighten your wing nuts. You have now completed your HSP installation.